Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, guys. To my new subscribers, all I'm gonna say is thank you for always coming back to watch the videos on the channel. It's a very beautiful day today. Just at the farm. You can see the background, how green the field looks. How green the field looks like. Yeah, so today we'll be just walking around just to show you guys, to update you about the field. I'm on the rooftop, by the way. Just want to take a clear view. Yeah, so yeah, let's view the place together. You can see how green it looks. You can see the road. So yeah, just gonna update you on how the field looks. So we'll start viewing it from the rooftop here. See how green the field looks, guys. It looks so green. We really appreciate for the rains. We are grateful to God for giving us the rains. Last year it was just a dry season. We just had drought. We experienced so much drought last year, but now you can see how green the field looks, which is so amazing. Yeah. And the groundnuts there, you can see, guys, the groundnuts. Those are the groundnuts here. They've all been cleared. So okay guys, so let's just take a closer view. Let me just rush to the fields and show you guys how our fields are doing. Yeah, so guys, this is how green it looks like when it's rainy season at the farm. Yeah, this is how green it looks like at the farm. It looks so green. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Help me reach that 1,000 subscribers. Let's reach that milestone together, guys. We can do it. Yeah, we can do it. I really appreciate it, guys. And so now I'm just heading to the field so that we can just update you guys on the previous videos that I've been updating on the crops. Yeah, so let's go and view the crops together. Yeah, so guys, from my slippers I'm just gonna get with my wellies. Yep, wellies. Let's get going. So we're now heading to the field. So guys, I'll start with the vegetables that I was planting at the back of the poultry, if you remember last time. Yeah, just gonna show you how it looks like and how the tomatoes look like before we go to the main field. Yep. So you can see these are the tomatoes. These are the little vegetables. These are the vegetables that I was planting the other day. I couldn't show the whole video, like to update you, to show you the vegetables that I had planted because it had started to rain, so I had to cut short. Yeah, so at the back of the poultry, this is the tomatoes that we have. Yeah. They've Also added some manure, chicken manure. And the remaining, these are 3 lines to be cleared. Yeah. Otherwise the rest of the garden here at the back, it has been cleared, cleaned. All the lines, all the tomatoes are clean. So now, let's head for the fields. So guys, let's work together as we're going to check on the fields. Yeah. These are pomegranates. You can see how they're blossoming. Yeah. These are the flowers of the pomegranate. You can see how beautiful it looks. This is a special lemon. You can see how green it looks. Yeah? And the jackfruit as well. The jackfruit is doing quite okay. It's doing quite okay. Yeah, they're almost finished. We've enjoyed eating the jackfruit. We've enjoyed eating them. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Let's now head for the fields. So guys, like I always say, please guys, as you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, friends and family, and watch the video to the end. Don't forget to watch the video to the end. So guys, we're gonna start with the beans. Yeah. Wow, the beans look so clean. Look at this. You remember last time the beans was covered in so much weed, guys. But look how good it looks. Wow. Wow, we're gonna have lots of beans this year. We're gonna have lots of beans, guys. From this side, from there up to that far, guys. This is a lot of beans. So much. Like I always say, guys, invest in farming. You never go wrong, especially when you have if the rains are very good, it's really a good thing to do. So in this line they also planted some sourshops. This is a soursop tree. So it's a line of soursop from here up to that far. So if you want to see where the soursop lines ending, guys, as we started in the new orchard, let's work together as we checking on the sources. Yeah. So here's another one. Here's another soursop. It's a line of soursop, so this is gonna be another orchard. Yeah. Here's another one. Guys, see how good the beans looks, yeah? and the maize as well. Don't worry, guys, I'm still coming to the maize. Let's just walk together through the beans. Here's another salsa. Here, another salsa. Another salsa tree. Guys, farming is very good. Yeah, it's very good. I encourage each one of you who's interested in farming, just do it. Yeah, just do it. You never go wrong. Never. You never go wrong with farming. You never go. Believe me. Yeah, because when you have more than that, you know, the people who are doing farming and doing so much with different crops, they produce a lot. And you know, whatever you have, any space you have, just utilize it. Yeah, utilize it for anything. You can plant maize, plant beans. If sorghum is good for you on your area, you can plant sorghum. You can plant wheat. Yeah, it just depends. Yeah, just depends. Depends. So. This part is kind of stony. The stones. So much stones in here. You can see here and here as well. So much stones. Otherwise, the beans is really coming up so good. Really coming up so good. So what am I gonna head to? Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna head and check on the groundnuts. Nuts. We're gonna check on the groundnuts. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, so this is where the beans end from, guys, from here up to that far. Just imagine how much beans we have for this year. Yeah, it may not be much, but I counted as much. So much. Yeah, look at how good the groundnuts have come up, guys, after weeding the groundnuts. They look so good. Yeah, though some places there's some patches, some of the groundnuts did not come out. So but anyway, I'm happy. I'm happy of how the groundnuts have just come out. It looks so good. At least we're gonna have something. Yeah. Busy road. The grounds, guys. You can see the flowers. The grounds look so good, so good. It really looks so good. Look at this. Looks like it's gonna start raining. Just look at the clouds. It's gonna start raining soon. Yeah. So lastly, I'm gonna walk through the maize, but I just want us to check on the what do you call it? Sunflower. Let's check on the sunflower. Check on the sunflower. Just walking from home, I already feel tired. Yeah. What is guinea fowls doing here? Let's see. I'm still walking in the field of groundnuts, guys. You can see the groundnuts. Yeah, so still in the groundnuts. So I'm heading to the sunflower. I'm heading to the sunflower. No, the soybeans first, not the sunflower. Okay. Let's check it out. Wow. The soybeans really looks good. It really looks good. Look at this. Look how good the soybeans look. Looks so good. It's coming up so good. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is soybeans. You know, yeah, I'm a farmer, but soybeans and sunflower really twist this. It really twists me so much. Yeah. When I say sunflower, then I mean soybeans. When I say soybeans, then I'm saying sunflower. So I don't know why after now it's still twisting my mind. Yeah. So from there, that side, up to this this is the last line. This line, this is where the soybeans, I almost said sunflower. This is where the soybeans field ends from. Yeah. Then now we're getting into the sunflower field. You can just see sunflower, soybeans, sunflower, soybeans. Okay. Sunflower. Yeah. So they finished weeding in the soybeans. Now they're gonna start with the, you can see they're weeding the sunflower now. So, yeah, you may be asking why some of the sunflower looks small, and you can see those they look big, the standard, because we had to replant the sunflower. The first plantation, it wasn't really good. Yeah, it wasn't really good. So this was the first. This was the first plantation. So these are the second plantation of sunflower. Oh, this is sunflower. I think we have more sunflower than soybeans. Yeah, this is what I've seen. We have more sunflower than, yes. Oh, whose chickens these are? They're not supposed to be in the field. So guys, oh, this is sunflower. all this field. In the background you can see all that is sunflower. I think here it didn't, it didn't do that good. Let me just show. Here you can see there's some, like, it's not growing healthy. I don't know if it's the soil. It looks so not healthy, not growing so well. It's different from that side. Let me just reach close, show you the difference I'm talking about. Look, see how it looks. It looks so thin and unhealthy. And then here it's got so many patches. It's not all that close to each other. It's different from this side. You can see the difference. It's like something else has been planted on this side, then here as well we have something else, but no, it's all the same. Oh, this is a sunflower. Oh, this is sunflower. You can see they've started with this shopping mall construction. You can see people inside. I think they're working. Yeah, they're working there. So yeah, it'll be a good thing, especially for us farmers. And I think it's a good thing for the area as well, not just farmers, to have a shopping complex closer, like not closer, like in the area, than for us to always walk around, or maybe just go for a ride, just going to check out another shopping malls like in town. It's really gonna be good having a shopping mall in the area at the farm. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Check on the maize. Yeah, check on the maize. I love how the sky looks like, so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Yep. Let's go. So farm life, guys, is good. Just depends on what how you take it. Yeah. Just depends on how you take it. Otherwise, it's life as well. It's life. Feels good staying at the farm. Especially for rain season, because focus more on the farm. Yeah, less outing because we have to invest, grow crops. Yeah. Wow, the ground has really looked good here. It looks so healthy. What's that? This year I've not come across any mushrooms. Oh, I've not come across any mushrooms. Let's walk together and check on the maize. Yeah. Oh God, hope I didn't step on the wrong snow. I'm sure it's gonna look scary, you know, when the maize grows. Okay, this part won't be all that scary because it's just the groundnuts in the and the yeah, this part is just the groundnuts, and then with the soybeans, yeah, it doesn't grow that much, but it's the maize and the sunflower, because the sunflower, you know, it grows, so it's gonna be kind of scary coming by myself. Sure, I'll have someone to come with, to just come and check how the field looks like. Best part of farming is harvest time. The best part can be also in planting. Yeah, it's fun until you see the crops growing. Yeah, it's time to harvest. Yeah, it's the best part. This is a hill, guys. If you remember this hill, in my previous videos, I think I showed you this hill when we had cleared it, but it's like, no, the grass is gonna grow again. Just look at this, so much grass and wild trees again. It's grassing so much. Wow. I'm sure after some time it's gonna be cleared again. Yep. So guys, it's the maize now. On the maize field. On the maize field. See how good and green the maize looks. Wow. The maize looks healthy. I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy. Thank God for the rains. For us farmers, we're really happy. So it's bye-bye from the groundnuts, bye-bye from sunflower, soybeans. Yeah, we are now on the maize. In the near future, looking forward to plant more crops. Yeah, try different crops because the space is just too big. Got a big space, have to try different crops. So let's just walk in between of the maize. Yeah, though that worm is really doing the maize badly, but it's growing. It is growing. You know, as a farmer, it really feels good seeing the crops looking this good. She's great. Great. Wow, the maize, some of the maize are really taller than me. Am I that short? Let's see. Yeah. Some of the maize is taller than me. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Done. This is how the maize looks like, guys. Yeah. Passing the fields. Loving how the maize looks like. see the field looks big. You can see how it looks up to that side. All this is maize, all this is maize, all this is maize. There we go, guys. This is our field. Just updating you, showing you how far we've gotten from field. Yeah. Let's go back home now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you watched the video fully up to the end. Keep on subscribing as usual, guys. Help me out. Help your girl reach that 1,000 subscribers and more. 1,000 subscribers plus, so that we may keep on showing good and better things. Show you other parts of Zambia, yeah, so that we can get going to show you more and more what Zambia has. Yeah. So guys, now reaching home. This is what I had for you. This is what I had to show. From me now, it's bye-bye. Until next time. Oh, before you go, guys, let's just view this heavy load together. Yeah, let's just view this heavy load together, guys. I like to view bigger things. Alright, guys, for me, it's bye-bye. Till next time.